Hello everyone, it's your report writing for class 12 students. Now, first of all, what is report writing? A report is a written account of something that one has observed, heard, done, or investigated. It is a systematic and well organized presentation of facts and findings of an event that had already taken place somewhere. Reports are used as a form of written assessment to find out what you have learned from your reading, research, or experience and to give you the experience of an important skill that is widely used in the workplace. Format for report writing. Generally, two types of reports arise, namely newspaper report or a magazine report. A newspaper report is the one which is published in newspaper and magazine report is generally written for a school magazine. The question for the report writing is supposed to be answered within the prescribed limit of 150 to 200 words. It comes as a 10 marks question. The breakup of marks for a report writing. Report writing format, heading and reporter's name 1 mark, content 4 marks, expression that includes grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spellings, coherence and relevance of ideas and style 5 marks, that is 2.5 for 2.5. Total, it includes 10 marks. A well-written report must possess the following traits: adherence to the specification of report brief, analysis of relevant information, structuring material in a logical and coherent order, presentation in a consistent manner according to the instructions of the report brief, making appropriate conclusions that are supported by the evidence and analysis of the report. Now, it is very important to follow a proper report writing format. Not to forget that format carries marks. Format of a magazine report. Heading: a descriptive title that is expressive of the contents of the report. Byline: name of the person writing the report. It is generally given in the question. Remember, you are not supposed to mention your personal details in your answer. The opening paragraph, which includes the introduction, it may include the 5 W's, namely what, why, when, and where, along with who was invited as the chief guest. The account of the event in detail, the proper sequence of events that occur along with their description. It is the main paragraph and can be split in 2 short paragraphs if required, if the details are more. Then the concluding paragraph. This will include a description of how the event ended. It may include quote from the chief guest speech or how did the event wind up. Format of a newspaper report. The headline: a descriptive title that is expressive of the contents of the report. The byline: name of the person writing the report along with a designation. It is generally given in the question. Remember, you are not supposed to mention your personal details in your answer. Place and date of reporting. It is generally not mentioned in magazine report separately, but it is here in the newspaper report writing. Opening paragraph. It includes the expansion of the headline. It needs to be short as a general overview of the report. The account of the event in detail. It is generally written in 2 parts. First, complete account of what happened in its chronological sequence, and second, the witness remarks. Then comes the concluding paragraph. This will include the action that has been taken so far or that will be taken. It is the last paragraph. Tips for report writing: make sure you use language which is suitable for the audience you are addressing. The usage of complex vocabulary for addressing children is not advisable. Make sure you write in paragraphs. Practice previous year question papers. Read as many samples as you can. It will give you an idea as how they are actually written. Read the question at least twice and highlight the important information. It is very important to understand the question and read between the lines. Albert Einstein once said, if you can't explain it simply, you didn't understand it well enough. So please keep this in mind. Plan before you pen down. Just make a list of all the important points on the rough sheet, then so that you do not forget relevant points while writing. This also helps you in maintaining a sequence, which is very important. The presentation is very important again. Make sure you double check for grammatical accuracy and spellings. They carry marks. Leave an adequate number of lines between paragraphs to make it look clean. Underlining the main points is very important, but it is advised to do it after finishing your exam. Use a pencil or scale for underlining. Make a small sentence. It restricts the scope of grammatical inaccuracy. Here is an example for you to go through it properly, find out how it is written, what's the style of its writing. That's all in this. Thank you.